Welcome to the World Religions class, a totally online section. Let me tell you what's really important, like how to pass and how to even get an A. First thing you have to do is to understand how the course is laid out. Read the FAQ file for answers to frequently asked questions. Of course, also read the syllabus for due dates and the contract. This grading system is multiple options. You don't have to do every assignment, but you have to do enough to earn 600 points to pass, 900 points to get an A. To make it real simple, there are 4 big point possibilities, and you have to attempt at least 2 of these: the daily posts, the essays, the term project, the final exam. You don't have to do all of them. Do at least 2 of the big 4. So it really helps to make a decision early on which of these you're going to attempt. For any of these, you're going to have to read the textbook. Read it and reread it. Watch the videos. Look at the terms list. Memorize those terms. The drills and the games will help you do this. What I don't want you to do is to try to get your answers from online dictionaries or from Wikipedia. The final exam and the essays are not geared to Wikipedia answers, but from the answers in your textbook and terms list and videos. Remember, you have to do at least 2 of these big 4. I want you to attempt each essay following the guidelines. Don't submit a late essay. You won't get any points for that. Submit your essay via email, pasted into the message area of the email. Don't submit an attached file. Don't submit it on Canvas. Canvas is only for the discussion board and for taking multiple choice quizzes and exams. Now, what's important about those posts? Post once a day, only once. When you get a post that gets the 9 points, hey, that's a good one. That's one that will count. If your post gets 0 points or just a few, that's one that we won't count. It's not going to hurt you. Now remember, we use the multiple options grading system. So if you have a bad post, a bad essay, bad quiz, even a bad exam, we don't have to count it as long as you have enough other points from other sources to get you your passing grade or even an A. Just don't make the same mistake again. Whenever you do poorly on a post or an essay, I'll tell you exactly what you did wrong. There are no do-overs of posts or essays or exams, but just do the next one right and don't make the same mistakes again. So decide early on which of these things you're going to do, especially if you want to do a project. Project is going to take a lot of help from me. Most students do not attempt a project. That's true of most A students also. They earn enough points to get their grade without doing a project. If you do a project, you're going to need help from me, and I'll help you in terms of the baby steps you need to do well on your project. Your project could even be good enough to present at a convention of student research or even a professional convention. Don't ask for extra credit at the end. You really don't need those opportunities because I've given you enough other ways to earn the points you need to pass and to get an A. We use multiple options grading. We don't count the stuff that you do bad on. Just don't make the same mistakes again. Now, if you're lost, confused, unsure, unclear, perplexed, disoriented, or bewildered at this point, that's okay. Read the FAQ file and come in for more mentoring. Hey, I'm going to be your coach, a tough coach in this class. I'll clarify your goal, give you specific options, give you reality checks about what the constraints are. But then it's going to be your task to actually do what we've talked about, what I've told you to do. So what exactly do most A students do? Well, they get at least 30 good posting days. Actually, most A students probably get closer to 50. They do at least 2 essays well, maybe more. They take the final exam if needed, but a lot of them don't have to take the final because they've earned 900 points from the essays and the posts. But each student puts together a different combination of assignments to earn enough points to pass or to get an A. You can too, with my help. We're here to see you be successful.